The average office. A place for work and creation. But in recent years, a new hazardous phenomenon has arisen. It is known as the screen slouch. This is a screen sloucher. Look at him, slouching in front of a screen. Here is the female screen sloucher, slouching in front of a much smaller screen. The slouching makes her appearance less confident. Her back aches. Every day, for 8 to 12 hours, slouching is an inherent part of the office habitat. This is Upright Go, a small wearable that helps the slouchers become upright. It is the simplest way to improve your posture. Just stick it on your back and press the button. That's it. Upright would vibrate every time you slouch. Look at the effect it has on the screen slouchers. Such a smile has not been seen on their faces for a long time. Since Upright Go sits directly on the back, it is the only device that truly senses the back. It's also the only posture trainer that works no matter what you're doing, sitting, standing, or walking. Oh, look, one of the screen slouchers has discovered that if you press the button once more, Upright Go switches to tracking mode, a mode that doesn't vibrate when you slouch, but still keeps all your daily posture data in the Upright app. Incredible! To conclude our research, we returned to the office 2 weeks later. The results were astonishing. After 2 weeks, being upright became second nature. Here is one sloucher 2 weeks ago, and here he is now. See how much more confident and better looking he appears. Notice also how he doesn't suffer from back pains. Oh, we're in luck. It seems the male ex-sloucher finally feels confident enough to approach the female ex-sloucher. Exciting. So, if you too wish to stop being a screen sloucher, get Upright Go. Incredible how in only 2 weeks... Oh dear, we've been spotted. Abort! Abort!
Hi, my name is Oded Cohen, CEO of Upright. When we started Upright 3 years ago, we were just 3 founders with a mission to help people correct their posture and prevent back pain. Since then, Upright has shipped thousands of units of our professional products to happy users. Our team grew to 20 engineers, designers, and marketers. But our mission hasn't changed. We want to help more people have better posture. That is why we decided to create a more casual version, the Upright Go. Now, in order to put it in the market, we need your help. If you care about your back, support us and get Upright Go. I promise, you'll love it.